Hi, this is Michael from AOTO GTEK. Welcome to ISE 2020. Today I will introduce our award-winning InnoPad series C2.9 rental LED screen. Follow me, please. You see, this panel is award-winning curved LED. There are several locks at the back, and we can do the concave and convex 22.5 degrees for both directions. And the panel is very light. One person can handle it very easily. So if you're a rental company, you can do the installations and the disassembles very easily. And the most important thing is it's magnetic, which means for the back maintenance, it's very easy to do it, just in 1 second. It's okay. By the way, thanks to the power, we can change it very easily within just several seconds. So over there, we take this product. It's like we put the curve and the flat ones and the cubes in one solution. If you like it, just contact us. Please visit www.gtech.AOTOGTEK.com. Thank you.